I want to ensure equal access to medical care everywhere in the world. Sysmex is starting up an instrument manufacturing base overseas, and I am currently working to get it running. To date, Sysmex has mainly brought testing instruments manufactured in Japan to the global market. But healthcare needs now are soaring in emerging and developing countries, and the product supply may be impossible to keep up with that demand. That's why we're supporting these countries in developing the capability to manufacture Sysmex products locally by themselves. We are currently working on an India project. India's economy is growing rapidly. It is a huge country and the population is growing. The fact is, though, not everyone has adequate access to healthcare. Therefore, we are committed to making high-quality medical care available anywhere in India by enabling local production of testing instruments that any clinic can use easily. When transferring production overseas, one of our main focuses is how to guarantee the same level of quality as in Japan. We don't believe that simply transplanting Japanese facilities and manufacturing procedures is enough to maintain quality standards. The local people need to be given an understanding of our manufacturing philosophy and culture. By the same token, it's also important that we learn about the local culture and the country's national trades and adapt our production methods to the local ways. In short, it's important to develop a new approach to manufacturing by understanding and respecting each other. Even now, I feel that there are significant disparities in the medical care available in different countries and regions. Therefore, we want to continue delivering Sysmex products to more countries so that high-quality and reliable medical care can be provided everywhere in the world.